the attendance sheet on Excel. This is the best video for you to make an attendance sheet on an Excel. How you make it? This is the criteria. The attendance shows present. If when someone is present, then it will mark 1, mark P, and value will be 1. The half day mark H, then half day is 0.5. If someone is on leave, then mark L and it's 0.2, and if someone has given the overtime, then it will mark O and here will be 1.5, and here is the absent A, and this is the total attendance register of the staff names implies in the company. How I calculate this? For this I can use here the count if formula. Here I can remove this one, sorry, control Z, sorry, here I can write here is equal to count if, then bracket starts, and here what is the range? The range is this, then again comma, and what is the criteria here? First suppose I will use the criteria of P, so here in bracket commas I will write P, then bracket commas closed, and then parenthesis closed. The formula is given, so here it will calculate number of presents. So have you seen here there are only 2 presents of this staff name, so here it's written 2, and now I will copy this formula, control C, and then again I will play plus, and then I also want the half time, so I will copy this formula again, and here in this formula I will move P and write H, and in H the half day is 0.5, so I will multiply it with 0.5, 0.5, then again plus, then again copy the formula, and I want to also calculate the leave, so here I can write leave, and then the leave is 0.2, so I will calculate, multiply it with 0.2, then again plus, and after that overtime, so copy the formula, and again here O, and in overtime multiply it with 1.5, then again plus, and again this formula, and here I can write A. So again enter. So this is the formula and this is the value. In this way You can calculate the attendance on this. I can drag it from here to down, and the formula will be copied up to this. In this way you can calculate the attendance on Microsoft Excel. I think this video will be very helpful for you. For my Excel tutorial videos, kindly subscribe the channel, and thanks for watching this video, and you can watch my other videos in the playlist of Excel.